The PixieBrix Sidebar is a nice place to display information on the web apps you use. For example, you could use it to show the Trello status page when you're working in Trello. You can configure an extension like this in under a minute. It requires just 2 steps. 1. Add a sidebar, and 2. Define its content. Here's a closer look. After installing PixieBrix, right-click to open the page editor. Step 1. Add a sidebar by clicking here. I'll change its heading to Trello Status. Step 2. Define its content by clicking here. Instead of a property table, we'll use an iframe. To configure an iframe, first drop in a URL. In this case, we'll use the Trello status page. Then make its width and height 100%. Now we can render the panel in PixieBrix. You can use the PixieBrix icon in the top right to toggle the sidebar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle piece to pin it to your toolbar. If you'd like to try customizing pages and building actions yourself, go to pixiebrix.com, resources, and check out our quick start.